How's it going, guys? It's Clinton and welcome to the Only Profits Academy. And today I'll be showing you guys the most effective scalping system in the entire universe. And with that being said, today I present to you guys the Only Profits Academy scalping method 1. There we go, guys. I just bought the euro dollar and we're in a buy trend in the euro dollar, at least for now. And once you understand that the market is dynamic, you can simply follow the market to profit at any given time in the market. There we go. Perfectly modified my take profit in the trade now, and we're running in little profits. And how did I come about this system? How did I come about understanding how to trade like this? I came about this system from my keen observation of the banks and simply understanding the universal truths of a dynamic market. Supply and demand is not always going to work. Support and resistance is not always going to work. And if all these things work, everybody will be millionaires. Everybody will just draw a line on the on TradingView or whatever platform you use to do your analysis and leave the market with profits. But these things don't work every time. So that is why I prefer scalping the market, because I know the market is dynamic. The market will not do the same thing over and over again in certain patterns or whatever. So we're moving in profits, as you can see, and we're almost there. Wait for it. Wait for it. We're almost there. Come on. Just scalping for little profits. Boom. There we go. Take profit hit. And this is a method 1, like I said. Successful trade. As you can see, the system is still working in full effect. And some trades came back to break even. Some of them hit my take profit. This is probably my 3rd or 4th trade for today. And this is really easy. You can take like 20 or 30 trades a day, because as you can see, I'm scalping for very little profit. And with this trade, I think I have made over 5% today on this particular account. So I've really not taken a lot of trades. I mean, I started this account from an initial deposit of $5,000, and this account is different from my the other challenge I'm doing, the $500 to $250,000 challenge. And you can refer to other videos. I think I created a playlist for that, and you can see the videos on the trades I took on that on that account, and you can also see the progress on myfbook. Very soon I'm going to connect this account to myfbook so that you can see the progress I am making also on myfbook. But with that being said, just because I don't really want to make this video very long, it's a very quick. I mean, the trade literally hit take profit in less than 2 minutes. And if you want to copy my trades, you can visit the website. I mean, if you're busy doing whatever you're doing, or just out there having your hot boy, your hot girl summer, and you want to make residual income on the side, I mean, just make money on the side with literally doing nothing, you can connect your live account to my live account and leave the market with profits with me. If you want to get access to my membership area, where I give out 3 to 4 signals a week, and my stop loss is really tight. I mean, at most I give out stop loss of 20 pips, and you can see the progress of the signals I also give out on my FXbook too. So with that being said, I'm going to be signing out. Very quick trade. For the first time on the channel, I showed you guys the Only Profits Academy method 1. And if you understand what I just did, or you feel like you can apply it to your everyday trading, you can simply do it and make profits consistently. Clinton signing out. Go ahead and like, share, and subscribe so you can get to see more videos like this. Have a nice one, and hey guys, stay safe.